Hi, in this video you will learn how to install vidIQ, one of the most important SEO tools for growing YouTube channels, on your browser and how to use it efficiently. If you don't have enough information about what vidIQ does and how it can contribute to your channel, be sure to check out the free YouTube courses prepared by socialskillhub.com. Now, let's move on to adding the vidIQ SEO tool to your browser and connecting it to your YouTube channel.
In the next step, we'll connect vidIQ to your YouTube channel, so make sure you have access to your channel's email account. While you're following along, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss any future tips and tricks for growing your channel.
First, click on the link I shared in the video description. On the page that opens, click once on the Sign Up for Free button with the Google logo. In the window that opens, you will be asked to sign in with the Gmail account connected to your YouTube channel. Log in with that Gmail account. If you're already logged in, simply click on your account. After this step, you will both have registered and logged in to the official vidIQ website with your Google account. Now, we need to install the vidIQ extension to your browser. To do that, click on the Install Extension button from the menu on the left side of the screen. On the page that opens, click the Add to Chrome button and then select Add Extension in the pop-up window at the top to install the extension to your browser. After this step, you will need to wait a bit. The extension is being installed and you don't need to do anything during this time. Once the installation is complete, the system will automatically redirect you to a vidIQ YouTube video. When this page opens, you can understand that the installation has been completed successfully. Now, let's connect your YouTube channel to the vidIQ tool. For this, go back to the official vidIQ website. On the main page, click on the Optimize button from the menu on the left side. On the page that opens, select Connect Your Channel. Then, choose the Gmail account connected to your YouTube channel. In the window that opens, check the Select All box and click the Continue button. After completing this step, your YouTube channel will be successfully connected to the vidIQ SEO tool. Congratulations! You can now actively use vidIQ for your channel. Don't forget, there is more free information and lessons about YouTube and digital skills on socialskillhub.com.